Are you tired of swiping your credit card and feeling like you're not getting anything in return? Well, it's time to say goodbye to unrewarded spending and hello to the world of cashback credit cards. In this video, we're going to introduce you to 6 incredible cards that will help you earn money on everything from groceries and gas to travel and entertainment. These cards are the real deal, and today we're going to go through all of them so you can see what's best for you. Let's kick things off with the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. This card is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a straightforward, no-fuss cashback credit card. With the Active Cash Card, you'll earn an unlimited 2% back on all your purchases. That's right, no matter what you buy, you'll always get 2% back. Pretty sweet, huh? But wait, there's more. When you sign up for the card and spend $500 in the first 3 months, you'll score a $200 sign-up bonus. That's like getting an extra 40% cash back on your first $500 spent. And the best part? There's no annual fee, so you can keep all that cash in your pocket. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card also comes with a 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers, giving you some breathing room if you need to pay off a big purchase or transfer a balance from another card. Plus, if you pay your monthly cell phone bill with this card, you'll get built-in cell phone protection. That's a nice little perk that could save you some serious cash if your phone gets damaged or stolen. All in all, the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card is a solid choice for anyone who wants a reliable, easy-to-use cashback card. It's pretty similar to the Citi Double Cash, but the sign-up bonus and cell phone protection give it a slight edge in our books. Next up, we've got the Chase Freedom Flex. This card is perfect for those who like to maximize their cashback earnings by taking advantage of bonus categories. With the Freedom Flex, you'll earn a whopping 5% cash back on rotating quarterly categories, up to $1,500 in combined purchases each quarter. These categories change every 3 months and often include popular spending areas like grocery stores, gas stations, and online shopping. But that's not all. You'll also get 5% cash back on travel booked through Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3% on dining and drugstores, and 1% on all other purchases. So even when you're not taking advantage of the rotating categories, you'll still be earning solid cashback rewards. As a new card holder, you'll be eligible for a $200 sign-up bonus after spending $500 in the first 3 months. That's a nice little welcome gift. The Freedom Flex also comes with a 0% intro APR on purchases for the first 15 months, giving you some flexibility if you need to make a big purchase and pay it off over time. One of the standout features of the Chase Freedom Flex is its comprehensive protection benefits. You'll get cell phone protection, trip cancellation interruption insurance, and purchase protection, among others. These perks can give you some serious peace of mind when you're out and about. Oh, and did we mention there's no annual fee? Yup, you can earn all these rewards without worrying about a yearly cost. The Chase Freedom Flex is a top-notch cashback card that offers a ton of value, especially if you're willing to put in a little extra effort to maximize those rotating categories. If you're a regular grocery shopper, online retail enthusiast, or gas station frequenter, the Blue Cash Everyday Card from American Express might be your new best friend. This card offers an impressive 3% cash back on U.S. supermarkets, U.S. online retail purchases, and U.S. gas stations, up to $6,000 per year in each category. That means you could earn up to $180 in cash back per category each year just for doing your everyday shopping. On all other purchases, you'll earn a standard 1% cash back. While that might not seem like much, it adds up over time, especially when you're already earning big in the bonus categories. As a new card holder, you'll be eligible for a $200 sign-up bonus after spending $2,000 in the first 6 months. That's a nice chunk of change for just using your card on everyday expenses. But the perks don't stop there. The Blue Cash Everyday Card also comes with a $7 monthly credit for Disney Plus and a $15 monthly credit for Home Chef. If you're a fan of streaming services or meal kits, these credits can help offset the cost of your subscriptions. One thing to keep in mind is that there's a more premium version of this card called the Blue Cash Preferred Card. It comes with a $95 annual fee, but offers higher cashback rates in certain categories. If you're a big spender in those areas, it might be worth considering the upgrade. Overall, the Blue Cash Everyday Card from American Express is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to earn serious cash back on their everyday purchases. With no annual fee, a solid sign-up bonus, and some nice perks, this card is hard to beat. If you're a foodie, entertainment buff, or streaming enthusiast, the Capital One Savor One Cash Rewards credit card might just be the perfect fit for you. This card offers an unlimited 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and grocery stores. That means you'll be earning big on all your favorite activities and everyday expenses. On all other purchases, you'll earn a solid 1% cash back. And when you sign up for the card and spend $500 in the first 3 months, you'll receive a $200 sign-up bonus. That's like getting an extra 40% back on your first $500 spent. But the rewards don't stop there. For a limited time, you can also score 10% cash back on Uber rides and Uber Eats purchases, plus a monthly Uber One membership credit. If you're a frequent Uber user, these perks could add up to some serious savings. Planning a trip? The Capital One Savor One card has you covered there, too. You'll get 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. And with no foreign transaction fees, you can use your card abroad without worrying about extra charges. It's worth noting that there's also a more premium version of this card called the Capital One Savor Card. It comes with a $95 annual fee, but offers a higher 4% cash back on dining and entertainment. If you're a big spender in those categories, it might be worth considering the upgrade. Overall, the Capital One Savor One Cash Rewards credit card is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to earn meaningful rewards on their everyday expenses and favorite activities. With no annual fee, a solid sign-up bonus, and some great limited-time perks, this card offers a ton of value. Attention Amazon shoppers! If you're a Prime member and frequently find yourself browsing the virtual aisles, the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card is a must-have. With this card, you'll earn a whopping 5% back on all your Amazon.com, Amazon Fresh, and Whole Foods purchases. Plus, you'll get the same 5% back on Chase travel purchases, making this card a great choice for booking flights and hotels. But the rewards don't stop there. You'll also earn 2% back at gas stations, restaurants, and on local transit and commuting expenses. For all other purchases, you'll get a standard 1% back. One of the coolest perks of this card is the $100 Amazon gift card you'll receive instantly upon approval. That's an extra $100 to spend on anything your heart desires, courtesy of Amazon and Chase. As a Visa Signature card, you'll also enjoy a range of additional travel protections and benefits, like travel and emergency assistance, lost luggage reimbursement, and more. And with no foreign transaction fees, you can use your card abroad without worrying about extra charges. The only catch? You need to be an Amazon Prime member to be eligible for this card. But if you already are, or were considering signing up, the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature Card is a no-brainer. Last but certainly not least, we have the U.S. Bank Cash Plus Visa Signature Card. This card is perfect for those who like to customize their rewards to fit their spending habits. With the Cash Plus card, you'll earn 5% cash back on 2 categories of your choice, up to $2,000 in combined purchases each quarter. The categories include things like department stores, home utilities, and select clothing stores, so you can pick the ones that align with your spending. But that's not all. You'll also earn 2% cash back on one everyday category of your choice, like grocery stores, gas stations, or restaurants. For all other purchases, you'll earn a standard 1% cash back. As a new cardholder, you'll be eligible for a $200 sign-up bonus after spending $1,000 in the first 120 days. That's a nice little incentive to start using your card right away. One thing to keep in mind is that you do need to activate your 5% and 2% categories each quarter. But as long as you stay on top of that, you'll be able to maximize your rewards and earn big on your everyday purchases. Overall, the U.S. Bank Cash Plus Visa Signature Card is an excellent choice for anyone who wants the flexibility to customize their rewards. With no annual fee, a solid sign-up bonus, and the ability to choose your own bonus categories, This card offers a unique and valuable reward structure. In conclusion, we've explored 6 fantastic cashback credit cards that cater to a variety of spending habits and preferences. From the simplicity of flat-rate cashback to the flexibility of customizable categories, these cards offer a range of opportunities to maximize your rewards. However, it's crucial to remember that responsible credit card use is key to making the most of these benefits. And once you decide the best credit card for you, here's the best day to pay to watch your credit soar.